As my Grandma Keller used to always say, live and learn, die and forget it all. What's the one feature you'll find in all video games today? You die, and then you respawn. You die, and then you restore a save point. You die, you restart the level. Why can't video games handle death well like death? I'd like to introduce you to a new mobile game called WWI Flying Circus, where you fly for country, family, and prestige, die, and be forgotten. With Flying Circus, you pilot your biplane high over no man's land through a series of turns, wingovers, Immelmanns, and barrel rolls, placing your friends and networked opponent dead into your sights. This turn-based, simultaneous move and shoot dogfight forces you to stay one maneuver ahead of your opponent. It's like playing chess in the air with one important difference. White and black move at the same time. Become an ace with 5 kills. As your dogfighting prestige grows, you'll be showered with awards and access to the best aircraft. Lose prestige and risk having your prized aircraft stripped away. Die and lose everything. I'm Brian R. Smith, the chief designer and programmer at Christmas Whistler. I'm a lifelong gamer with over 50 years and a programmer since age 14. My love for both is why we at Christmas Whistler bring you strategy games for your mobile device. My ask? Come join my team of beta testers at ChristmasWhistler.com. Find out if you have the guts to risk it all in the air as you fly for country, family, and prestige. Die and be forgotten.